easy cherry pie recipe from homemade pie crust. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Split the pie crust into top and bottom sections. Roll it. The crust needs to be a little bit warmer temperature. Put the crust in the pie dish. If you want it to be more perfect, you can trim it with scissors. Roll the top portion of the pie crust. I didn't have fresh cherries today, so I'm just cheating and using cherry pie filling. Pour the cherry pie filling in. Top it. Sprinkle with some sugar on top. Bake for an hour. Cherry pie from homemade crust. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to sharing more recipes.